see what we're going to be hitting on the way back after beach time.
What? Apparently, we have communicated our love of
a sugary drink.
wow!
Quick review of Naples. This is a 55 plus community. Everybody's been super nice. We've just been using this as a launching pad to go hit all the beaches in the area. We are off to Sarasota. 2-hour drive, it looks like. Everybody like that RV park?
Yes.
Scale of 1. Oh, it had a really cool pool.
Had a really nice pool.
And the shuffleboard courts were top notch.
Very, very awesome people there.
It was an actual like community of people that lived there on a 5 to 7 month basis.
Wow, you are brave. I did not think you were going to go for that.
Oh, come on. I'm not going to turn right on the red, that's for sure.
Thank you for not giving your wife a heart attack, because that was pretty close.
This road is not, well, I mean, we have the slides in.
That's always a good thing when driving. Let's put the slides in.
Boy, you'd really miss something on your checklist if you still had the slides out while you're driving. And in that community, you wouldn't make it 5 feet.
Yeah. We are heading out to Siesta Beach. Woohoo!
Woo! The #1 beach in the world.
And apparently people are crazy drivers here.
I see what we're going to be hitting on the way back after beach time.
What? Apparently we have communicated our love of
a sugary drink. That is loud.
Our love of Slurpees to our children, also known as a sugary drink.
Sugary drink? This sand is hard to describe. Woo, that's chilly.
Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah.
Woo. There's so much sand when you're walking up to this ocean. There's so much sand here that you don't even notice that there's 5 million people on the beach.
Yeah.
This is the clearest water we've seen in Florida so far. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because why?
Clear water.
Clear water is really neat. The sand is amazing. Yeah. But you know what I like? Free parking. Well, if you can find it. Nice.
It's pretty awesome. Pretty nice spot. Pretty cool beach.
I can dig this beach for sure.
And you did.
Haha. My legs aren't super white anymore. That is a really cool beach. Best beach in the US. Look at this guy. You want to? You want to pet him?
Pet?
Oh, she's gonna change her mind real fast. Go ahead, Danielle. Siesta Beach! We saw a seagull. A guy caught a seagull, which was random, but cool. Danielle got pecked by the seagull. Got some good drone footage. I actually asked permission ahead of time, which I said I wasn't going to do that anymore, but I can't help myself. And sure enough, they said just don't do it over like people, and so I kept it out kind of towards the water. And anyways, oh, but I did lose the drone.
Wait, you did again?
Briefly. For the first time, I had to use the return home button. I've never had to use that.
This time he didn't have big high rises to guide him back in. He just
It was all just
gone.
white beach, and there. I even tried to use like the lifeguard towers because they were different colors, but I couldn't see on my little screen the color. I could see a lifeguard tower, just couldn't see the colors. Anyways, I got it back. Everything's fine. The Siesta Key. What do you think, girls? Your number one beach? I think that was the number one beach.
That was a pretty amazing beach. Oh, going out to the sandbar.
Oh yeah,
That was a ton of fun. And you got to see fish, and you had fish jump over you.
I know. The one time I didn't have the camera on. We're off to see the Ringling Museum, which is actually the Ringling family mansion that they gave to the state back in 1946. Came prepared.
Bob's doing the history lesson today, because apparently he's reading all the signs.
I am fascinated by this building. It's a 36,000 square foot house that was piazza.
No.
That was designed. They went around the whole world looking for talent, and they loved Venice. And so it's John and Mabel Ringling, I believe Mabel is her name. And she was the one kind of in charge. She oversaw every aspect of the design. Oh, Monday is free. So don't know exactly what part of it, if there's like, oh, you only get to see this little part over here for free. But we heard that it's free on Mondays, and so we're gonna go check that out. Off to see the Ringling Museum.
Woo!
We made it through the little visitor center, and this compound is 60 acres. Is that right?
66 acres.
66 acres, and the museum is over there, and the house is over there, and we're just gonna go explore the grounds. There's beautiful little lakes, and what an awesome little adventure. I'm mostly interested in the exterior of the house.
The exterior and the courtyard of the art museum is really what we would be really interested in.
Absolutely. Coming up on the house here, and wow, it's amazing.
Wow!
Look at all the details. Isn't this amazing? Look at this glass. You can tell that the glass is old because it's wavy. See how wavy it is? And look where they built this right on the ocean. How would you like to wake up in the morning and have that as your view?
Details. How they're different, and then they have like a pattern. There's
$1.5 million to build, $15 million to restore. You'll see all sorts of statues here. Wow, this place is really cool. What a gem. That was awesome.
That was really cool.
Had a really good time. What were we here for? Maybe 45 minutes, an hour, something like that. Which
About
is
that.
plenty of time for this age group here.
Yeah.
Probably could have
They're
seen.
done.
Yeah.
Bob and I could have spent hours
What do
here.
you think, girls? Good? 10 out of 10? Be honest. Compared to a beach day, 5 out of 10?
Yes.
Okay, that's fair.
That's okay.
I had fun. I thought it was great.
I thought it was cool.
Really neat, and it's definitely worth on a Monday when
And
it's
it was
free.
free.
Free parking, free walk through the park. That was cool. All right, let's
Okay.
head back. We have moving day ahead of us.
Woohoo!
We are headed to Beer Can Beach. It has a bunch of driftwood and mangroves and trees that are kind of, it looks like a pretty cool spot. So we're gonna go check it out. Beer Can Island has a bunch of cool driftwood stuff, and it's turned out to be a gorgeous day. Definitely get in the water temperature.
Yeah, it did not.
It used to be cloudy.
Yeah, and now
I got
it's
back from
clear,
grocery
it's
shopping
sunny.
and I had goosebumps.
It's clear, it's sunny. Oh, thank you. The water is like turquoise over here, which is pretty awesome. And free parking.
Awesome.
Can't beat that. We're heading through this little path to go over to the beer can island, I guess. It's kind of a neat little walkway that you gotta, you know, find your way through here. This is pretty. What a neat little find. So they're not turtles, they're crabs. And I know that because I got right close up to one and it pinched me in the foot. Which was, it doesn't hurt, but it really gets your attention. Oh, did you see that? Later. That was awesome. These things. Yeah, just you gotta come out. So we caught one crab, and the girls want me to catch another one, but the 3-year-old has a bucket. These guys are gonna be gonna catch us some crabs here. Yeah, like right here. All this right there. You got some? Here, let's see what he caught. Whoa! Look at this, girls. Look at these guys. Oh, here, now get in the bucket.
That is awesome.
Hey, thanks, guys. This is awesome. Whoa, look at these guys. Yeah. We're eating good tonight, girls. I'm not. This guy's like, go ahead and try it, buddy. Look, he just pinned him and then took his claws in. That's cool. Yeah, look at that, he's a pro. Dude, that was awesome. Thanks, guys.
Daddy's taking a bunch of pictures. Look at that!
Look at that big guy. That guy's like king crab. He's fighting another one. Yeah, look at that guy. That guy's big.
Let's name him Bruce.
Oh, I'm Bruce. This guy's big too. Don't tease him, girls. This guy's amazing right here. He's like, I'm not going anywhere. I'll take you all on. Finger on there, and then get your thumb on the, move his claw in.
How do I do that?
There. We are going to head out over to where the downed trees are. It's pretty picturesque. Loads of crabs out here, which is pretty fun. Look, you can see them all right there. We gotta kind of go inland here.
Those shells are freaking me out.
Let's Beach!
Let's get out of here.
We love Florida! We had an awesome beach day at a beach called Beer Can Island. The beach was pretty cool, had a lot of driftwood, but it had a ton of crabs, little like blue crabs.
I think they were calling them blue crabs. So we didn't really go in the water because right about where you would like be getting used to the water, that's where all the crabs were.
And I stepped on one, and it pinched me, and
He didn't like it.
well, it doesn't hurt a ton, but it gets your attention. So, and we met some people there. Some guys were net fishing. They
Yeah.
caught a ton of crabs,
Yeah.
and then they caught some fish off the pier too. It was pretty cool. So all in all, neat beach. Totally
Yeah.
different beach experience than
And-
the other beaches. The water was super clear,
Yeah.
and yeah, it was fun. I had a great time.
Yeah.
Girls, did you have fun?
Yes.
Cool. And of course, Slurpee after beach day. So very cool, lots of fun. We were really enjoying Sarasota area, Bradenton, Sarasota.
Ooh, and the Slurpees are cold.
Slurpees are cold. And they had these little tiny shells that had little animals in them that would burrow down into the sand. And
Yeah,
that
like
freaked-
millions of them.
that
And so you
freaked.
would stand there, and then your feet would kind of sink in the sand as the tide was coming in and out. And then you'd feel them all like around your feet. It was, yeah, it was just weird. I'm fine with like 2 or 3, not a problem. But when there's like
thousands of them.
hundreds of them literally under the feet, your feet right there. Ugh, that kind of weird.
They were this big.
I know, but there's like 100 of them. You
Like
told me they were
mosquitoes.
freaking you out too.
Like
You
mosquitoes
notice-
are super small, but
That's
if they're
true.
all coming at you, that's scary.
That's true. You notice them because they're moving.
Yeah.
Instead of just like standing on shells that aren't moving, they're moving shells. It's kinda weird.
Just slightly odd.
It gets your attention.